Just as a reminder, as the winter months are upon us, if you're hearing noise from your HVAC system, or a rattle, or maybe not getting the right amount of air, you want to check this fresh air intake filter. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's at least maybe a squirrel and a gerbil living in there. It's supposed to be a clean white filter. Let's get it out of there and see what's going on. I'm gonna have to use shop vac. I don't want to get that mess over there. So. Should never look like it. Terrible. Breathing that air.